Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to talk about a special topic which is called earn money online by watching ads with an application. Okay, this is the topic that we are going to talk about. The app name is PGTearn and you can install it and earn from it. You can earn more than 100 bucks in amounts, and it depends on how, or I can say when, and the time that you are going to watch the ads on the app. It depends on that. Okay, just you need to know two important things about this app. The first one is, if you install the app and you earn the coins, you mustn't delete the app, because when you delete the app, all of your coins will be disappear and you cannot use them. The second thing is, if you are using the app on the foreign countries, or I can say the countries that can support Google Google products such as Google Fibers or other things. Some countries like Iran, you need to be going this app with a VPN, or I can say a proxy or a VPN. You have to go on the app with this method, and you can receive Bitcoin from the app. And you can, I'm going to tell you, you can do it and you can earn from this app too. Okay, this is the important notes of that. We are going to jump to the phone screen, and I'm going to tell you the things of the app more. I received the payments of the app and it is good for me. Enjoy it. The good point of the app is you can earn from the first day. Not It's not like other videos that they tell earn $1,000 in a day or in an hour. It's not possible, but it is possible. Think about it. This is the application we are going to work with it, and it is PGT Earn application, which is the PGT company products. Okay, I'm going to turn the VPN on because I'm going to tell all of these things about it. Or if you're using it, for example, on Canada or the countries that are not filter, you can use it by clicking it. But I'm going to tell, for example, the other countries way to going to and install it. I use the next VPN app to install, or I can say to connect to this app. I use next VPN. Okay, I go to the PGT Earn app, and you see watch and earn. This is my coins that I receive from watching video, or I can say small ads, watch videos, or the daily checkings. I press on the watch a full ad, and this ad appear. After the 5 second, you can press on the close. You can do this with the small ads either. I press on the small ads, just this. You see this. I press on close. This is the small ads option. This is the watch video. You'll receive 15 and 20 points of these things, and this is my total coins that I receive it. This is a place that you can you will send the PayPal number, or I can say PayPal part of that, but our coins is not enough to receive the coins. Our coins are not enough. Because of that, we cannot use it. This is the minimum coins that you can receive from the app. It will show on there, and you can see and check it. It's too easy. You can do it 1 hour in a day, in total 24 hours, or you can do more. If you have any problems of send your PayPal, or you can't type your Gmail and other this type of things, send me a message on the comment section. I will answer it, or not the comment section, I will send the community of this, and you can send message on Telegram to the ID which is PGTearn. If you have any problems for sending PayPals or receive it, or if you wanted to receive it from Bitcoin, you can contact the admins of this app on the Telegram. I will put the Telegram links on this video description, so if you press on it, you can contact with them. I hope you like this video. Have a nice day.